Hey there, money-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital banking to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to send money from Zelle to Wells Fargo in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of finance, sending money quickly and securely is a game-changer, and Zelle makes it super straightforward, especially if you're dealing with Wells Fargo. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or transferring funds to your own account, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store and download it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, you'll need to link your bank account. Since we're focusing on Wells Fargo, ensure your Wells Fargo account is enrolled in Zelle. Most major banks like Wells Fargo are already integrated, but double-check by logging into your Wells Fargo app or website and looking for the Zelle option. Now, for the main event, sending the money. Open the Zelle app and select Send Money. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address or phone number. If you're sending to your own Wells Fargo account, make sure it's linked to a Zelle-enabled email or phone. Pro tip: always verify the recipient's details to avoid any mix-ups. It's 2025, and security is tighter than ever. Next, enter the amount you want to send and add a memo if you like, such as rent payment or gift. Review everything carefully, then hit Send. The transfer is usually instant or happens within minutes, depending on the banks involved. Keep an eye on your Wells Fargo account to confirm the deposit. One common hiccup? If you're new to Zelle, there might be daily limits on how much you can send. In 2025, these could be around $500 per day for unverified users, so verify your identity in the app to increase that. Also, ensure both accounts are in good standing to avoid delays. And there you have it. Sending money from Zelle to Wells Fargo is as easy as pie. By following these steps, you'll save time and hassle. If you run into any issues, check the help sections in both apps or contact customer support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more banking tips. See you next time.